God. Okay, that's how much money we made. So let's go to, and this is how much money we have. $33 and 9 V-Bucks because I spent my V-Bucks. Cat, this is my food, not yours. You have food over there, now go eat it. Why is it so laggy? It's so laggy. Let's use radio. Let's do girls like you. Okay, let's use. Okay. I'm sorry. I am doing my new mansion. It's not done yet. Like I said, I would do a thing of me building a mansion. That's it right there, but that's the cafe right here. Right here's the cafe. These are supposed to be the garages, but I'm not done. Yeah, I only got the windows and the things. But today we're gonna do the roof. And then we're gonna work for a little bit, and then we're probably gonna do the windows. Let's go to build mode. This is a cafe over here. It's not done yet. It has, okay, so I'm gonna add a staircase over here. They walk up, it's over here too, and then they eat outside or something. Huh. I don't care about you, Instagram. Nigga, stop. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Okay, now let's go to build. Let's go to roof. No, I don't want to have hip roof. I want a Gambia roof. Let's go up. Oops. There we go. I literally cannot see anything. So where am I putting this? I literally cannot see. Okay, this does not work. This is like, there we go. Now I can see where I'm putting the roof. Okay, I don't even dare think about it. It's my food, it's not yours. I bought it and you did not buy it. You have food over there, now go eat it. Yep, got that. That did not work. Oh my God, shut up. No. I don't care. Instagram, shut up. Freaking God.
You are the only call in this conference.
Should I just do one floor? Yeah, I'm gonna do one floor. And then I'm gonna have it outside. Shut up, God. I don't care about you, Instagram. I really don't care. Okay, let's go to roof. Ruff, 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 ruff.
Oh,
Don't care about that. Really? It look like I want to chat with you guys right now. I don't. I said I was playing some video games and you guys don't understand what video games is. Okay, I guess that.
Welcome to the conference.
There we go. It looks better already, I guess. Okay, it looks horrible. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, let's delete that. Let's delete that. Yes, I don't care about that. Don't you dare delete that wall. Exactly. Let's go to roof. Roof again. Roof, roof. Oh, that's gonna be expensive. That's gonna yep, that's expensive. Did I just really delete the wall? Oh my god, really? I deleted the wall. Thank you very much. Now I have to build a new one. Huh. I don't like. The cafe. Cafe. Okay, fine. I'll just add the garage doors. Should I add the windows? Yeah, I'm adding the windows too, though. I'm only gonna add the small windows. Do I care about you, chat? No, I don't. I'm trying to build my house. This is harder than I thought because like I keep paying attention to the outline of the screen-o-matic, so like I can't focus on building. There we go. I think it's here. Let's go to. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 garages. Okay. Now let's add a door. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Door. Where's the doors? Okay, they're right here. Yeah, let's do this door, I guess. Yep. I just wasted my whole money on that. Ow. Ow. Okay, I'm thinking about putting my vehicle. I'm gonna have a fence over here that leads to right here. Then the fence like right here. That only goes to right here. Then a garage, and then it goes all the way over there to the backyard. So no one breaks in because of people break in, and it pisses me off, and I don't like it. So this will probably be like 10K for all this side. Yeah. So like only that side. I need another door. I'll just fill okay. I don't know what I should start doing now. Okay, so I'm gonna do the windows next, and then probably get money for the roof. Yeah, so this is what it looks like now. It's gonna look good when it has the roof.
Oh, God.
When it's done. Yes, Oh, oops, I didn't mean to do that. I need to get some new music. Instead of getting Girls Like You. Like they walk up here, they come in, all that stuff. This house is gonna be good. 4 hours after 4 hours with you. Spent the weekend. Ow, ow, that burns. What is that? That literally burns. Ow, Ah! Ow! Sorry, there's something on me. It's a red light. Ow! That's green. I need a girl like you, yeah. I stink. Wow, I really stink. Ah, ooh. Yeah, I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the. Can I jump on the roof? Oh, I can't. Actually, you can. As if you walk up that thing. I spent last night. I'm gonna get some new song IDs. Okay, so I did not get the house off of YouTube. I just decided to do it. Like, people are gonna be like, oh, you're copying off someone. I'm like, no. No. Everyone does that whenever I freaking build a house. Okay, that's... I got it with my own idea. And stuff. Yeah. Like, I'm weird. Sometimes when I'm on Bloxburg, I, like, I pretend that I'm doing a YouTube video. Like, to do it on the next video, but nah. I do that sometimes. And I'm like, why do I do this? It's so weird. It's a green light, okay. Ow, it's bleeding too. Ow. I wanna order. Was that a spider on me? Oh well. Spiders are cute. Oh, never mind. That was a stupid fly. I seriously need to get new song IDs. That was 5K for that roof. Get off me, fly. You're on my freaking finger. Hopefully the house is done so I can do Christmas ornaments. Like Christmas stuff. I spent last night on... I had the premium trophy. I have all the game passes, so... Okay, so I thought we could erase game data, but we can't now. I'm like, wait, we can't erase the game data? Why can't you erase the game data? I was on my boy account. I have boys accounts. And all that, so I was on it. And we only have 3 people on here. Look. I don't even know who these people are, but they're up there. There's only 3 people on here. They're random people, so I joined random people's servers. Like, I'm like, I don't join one that no one's on because, like, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah. I'm probably gonna do another video, like, when I'm finished with the house. So this probably 1 week because like, it takes me forever to finish a house in it. Like, I stay up during past 3 a.m. on Instagram and all that stuff, and I don't play Roblox that much. Well, people say I do because I don't talk to them on Instagram. Yeah, well, it's not my fault. I'm focusing on the house. Oh, it's red. It's red. And I'm gonna get new song things. And I'm probably gonna get like an elevator.